Hi everyone, I'm Mike Settles, and this is What's Up. A major festival is coming to Marquette this fall. It's called the Upper Peninsula Folklife Festival, featuring workshops, demonstrations, and performances of folk artists who reflect the cultural traditions of the region. That festival takes place October 2nd through 4th, but right now, here in the early summer, organizers are seeking out traditional arts practitioners to lead that festival. Here to tell us more is Dan Truckey, director of the Beaumere UP Heritage Center. Dan, welcome back.
Oh, thank you, Mike.
Tell me more about this Folklife Festival. I don't recall seeing this before.
We did one a few times in 2008 through 2010, funded by the NEA. And we decided to reinvigorate the idea of working with several other organizations in Marquette and the UP in general to try to create this festival that celebrates the traditional arts, meaning arts that people have learned from one person to another, maybe generationally, maybe culturally, and really try to reinvigorate the idea of, what traditional art is in the Upper Peninsula.
Well, you said you're looking for traditional artists and craftspeople. Elaborate on that a little bit. Who do you want to be part of this festival to lead some of these workshops?
Well, first we want it from many different cultures. We don't just want Finns, we don't just want Native Americans, we want all cultural groups to be represented. We also want it to be people who learn their tradition, whether it be as a wood turner or a carver, a banjo player, a dancer, folk dancer. They may learn how to make pasties from their grandmother. We're looking for people from many different backgrounds who want to share what they've learned, and not just share it, but also help teach people how to do it.
Well, let me give folks the details. Once again, the Upper Peninsula Folklife Festival takes place October 2nd through 4th in Marquette. Traditional artists who are interested in being part of that event need to act now by submitting an application to participate. For more information, head to the Beaumere's website at nmu.edu/Beaumere, and a link is included right on the homepage. You can also call Dan and his staff at 906-227-3212. Remember that applications are due by July 1st. Dan, it looks like we've got a lot to look forward to this fall. For now, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
I am Mike Settles, and that's What's Up.